Alright, so this is video number 2 of lesson 5. We already had the emulator up. This is just to show my extra work. So what I did extra, I basically I made it to where you can store pictures in the database and display it as like a user picture. So we'll create a new user since that we only have the one that we did in lesson or video 1. We'll say extra@gmail.com. Password will be password. And then the display name, extra work. And then we just gotta type in the zip code. And so the picture part, if you click outside of here, or if you go back, it says, whenever you click in, it says online picture. So we're gonna go grab a picture from online and copy the source. So, if this is up, I guess we'll do Spider-Man, because Spider-Man is cool. So copy image location. Then we'll pop back over here. Paste this guy in there. And then we'll create the account. So now whenever we go to log in, we'll say extra@gmail.com. Password's password, log in. Login successful. And whenever you hit the drop down menu, your profile picture pops up right there. And that's what I did for my extra work. Thank you.